everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we're gonna be opening our achievement for almost a year, 2 years. So somebody is going to help us open the bag. Yeah. What is inside?
I don't know.
You don't know? Don't you think we need scissors?
Yes.
Yes, bring scissors. Okay. No, you do like this.
Okay.
And here.
What?
We open this one. Wait. Oh, it's another one here.
What's in the box?
I have no idea.
I have no idea.
You know what it is?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
I have no idea. Everybody don't talk. I go first to talk.
Yes, you get to talk first.
Okay.
So you tell us, what could it be?
I have no idea how to braid.
It's open. Oh, it's covered. Okay, can you read? You know how to read?
No.
Come on, read for us. Read for us.
I don't know.
Wow.
What's that?
It's our YouTube. It's for the YouTube. You know, when you have many people on your YouTube, you're gonna have this one, and it will have your name here.
Yeah.
You see mine? It has
Miss Uganda.
Miss Uganda.
Miss Uganda.
Evelyn.
EVELYNE.
Presented to Miss Uganda Evelyn for passing 100,000
subscribers.
Yay! You see, we worked so hard, guys, to get this one, but we did get it. I got it a long time ago, and I opened it today.
The inside is a box. It's 100 subscribers.
Yes. So when you have also 100,000, you will have the one. What is your channel name? You know? Do you remember?
One.
It's called. Is it Zayed and Khalid?
1 billion.
Yes, 1 billion. We'll get there.
1 billion subscribers.
Yes. He already said the next further 100,000 subscribers, guys. Hopefully we'll get the gold. Is it the gold?
Yes.
Yes, soon we'll get the gold. What is this one? Silver?
Silver.
Yes, it's a silver. So the next time we'll get the one that looks like you.
What?
You.
Wait. No.
Yes.
No.
Who's that one inside?
Who's that? Who's that one inside?
Okay, so you see, the next one will be this one. You can't play with that one. It's not good. So thank you to the people there.
Thank you.
Say thanks to them.
Thanks.
Very sweet. Very sweetly.
Oh yeah.
How do you say thank you? Very nicely. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, guys, for supporting Miss Uganda. Please support my future Jelly Corosaris.
Oh yeah, look at
Here. My Opa. Here. Here. Our Opa here has a YouTube channel, so guys, care to subscribe. Peace, we love you guys. Thank you so much. Yes, Khalid. Is it Khalid? I don't know. I always forget.
Khalid.
Khalid. The channel.
Khalid to yan. Zayed and Caleb.
Zayed and Caleb channel. I will leave the link down below.
Are you?
Okay, guys, please keep subscribing and sharing and loving.
What's that?
The boy is cute.
And what's this?
That is something not supposed to touch. Very dangerous. I don't know why they put it there. So you want one of these too? You want?
Yeah.
Like this one?
Yep.
Tell them to give it to you. Huh? You tell them to
I will
give it.
put back the sister.
Don't cut! Don't cut!
I will put back the sister.
Okay.
Okay. So thank you guys. Keep sharing. Don't forget. God bless you. Maraming salamat. Bye. This one here.
With O?
Oh, me.
Oh. Oh my G.
Oh my.
Oh my G. Oh my G.
Goodness.
Oh my G.
Oh, Jimmy.
I
God, that's too big.
Aha, that one.
You're hiding it. No color.
Lavender.
Oh my God.
Lavender.
Oh, really? Get that one.
Oh, I will. Gold. Or
Gold.
good. Or.
Oh, okay. You're my teacher.
Okay. I'll draw something great. I will do. Hello. Who's coming? Who is that? Who is that one? Because the one
Aina.
Oh my God. That's how the car ride went.
1 plus 1 equals 1 plus 1.
Are you sure? I'm telling the truth. What's bulky?
Fun.
Well, are you kidding me?
No, I'm serious. When you do that,
Aha!
your mommy forgot your tuxedo, huh? Boy, take you with me. Should I take you with me?
Wait, no. Wait,
Come on!
I'm
I don't know how to tie this one.
I know. I'm going to draw something.
Inang sabot mo.
You and
I have no idea.
you?
You're the teacher.
Uncle Raymond, what is spell quartz?
What?
Quartz.
You tell us, because we don't know that.
I'm still spelling quartz, Mama.
He's asking because he doesn't know.
A spelling Q,
Q and U.
U,
And me.
A, R, T, Z. Quartz.
Stairs.
Stairs is S,
T.
T, A,
A.
I, R, S.
Yes, the quartz stairs is white.
Yeah.
Up here.
Quartz stairs.
Very good. Teacher, you don't tell me your name. I don't get it.
I don't care.
But you're the teacher, you're supposed to care.
I don't care.
You're supposed to care if I understand.
supposed to care because you're the teacher.
Yes, it's a melon. Now,
Kailangan na basta ng buwan.
Now what? What's next? Here to learn.
Zayed is the teacher.
Yellow.
let's paint the yellow bed. Mixed red. Wait a sec. Wait a second. What? Oh!
If you're not tired, why not you just stand?
Oh, wait a second. There's more.
There's more?
Yeah.
What?
Minecraft block.